This 2-bedroom home is a delight, with an abundance of storage. It has a 2015 metal roof. You'd be surprised what this detached shed will hold. Like having all your appliances and shelving within easy reach. This will be for you. Stove and refrigerator stay. Get out of the kitchen for meals. Lovely wood flooring in the living room. And so much natural light. Both bedrooms as well as the bathroom is on the second floor. Enter here right off the driveway. Good amount of workspace in the basement. The basement houses the laundry, too. Fancy berries? Or lilacs? You'll have both here, as well as a garden spot that was used in years past. Walk to eateries, clothes shopping and Hannafords in the mall on Route 4. And what would you do with the land? Could this be home for you?